Hey guys, Charlie the plumber here. So hey, I'm at a old commercial building that I service in Michigan here. I got called out because I had a leak, or they had a leak from basically a floor drain going down through the ceiling. So when I come up to take a look at it, I found a couple of things. This building is old, and I know this was one of the original bathrooms, so was kind of concerned that potentially the leak was just, it was rotted out going down through the floor, which it is. I did go down and take a look at that, but we'll go down, or I'll show you that a little bit later. But basically what we've got going on is this floor drain that's here is full of garbage. It's full of sludge from 30 years of the custodians, pushing the broom and, potentially emptying buckets and floor machines and whatever down this drain line. So on a commercial building, on all drains, before I snake them, any floor drains or mop sinks or anything like that, I like to use a wet dry back and suck out all the sludge, goop, nasty, all the good stuff that's down inside there that makes our job just so much fun. So basically what we're going to do is I'm going to show you the stuff that's down inside here, show you how thick it is. Now mind you, this is a 3 to 4 inch floor drain here with a big trap on it underneath. So this thing holds a pretty fair amount of stuff. So I'll show you what we got going on. So you can see down inside this drain that there's a pretty good amount of goop that's down inside there. Basically what you got is, you see my screwdriver that I'm sticking in here, this is somewhat solid at this point here. And as you go down through, I don't think we can see, let's see if I can get a double duty here, but yeah, I said duty. Basically what you've got is this is full of scale, sludge and whatnot. So we're going to try and get all this stuff out of here with the shop vac, and then once we get all this stuff out, we'll run some water, and if that don't take care of it, then what we're going to do is we'll get our snake and we'll snake this line out. So I want to show you what's down in the side here. This is again what makes our job so exciting. Usually we get to keep whatever we find in the drain line. So that's a pretty good amount of goop down inside there. So here's the shop vac we're going to use. It's just a Craftsman 2.2 or 2.5 gallons. Nothing fancy, just something that once it gets nasty we can throw it away. There's nothing virtually down inside there, so kind of show you what we get out of it when we're done. So there you go. That's some of the dirt we got out of there. Nasty goodness. If you look down inside that drain is pretty clear at this point. Now we'll have to snoop around. I think the trap opening is over there. This is an old system, so it doesn't go right down into the trap. It kind of goes off to the side. So we'll take a better look. Now we're going to pour some water down inside this drain to see if we've opened it. If not, we can suck that water back out, and I'll start out with getting the plunger, and then we'll check the machine, and if we have to, we'll snake it. Obviously we're still plugged up, so we'll get the plunger, we'll hit it with a plunger, see if that takes care of it. If not, we'll go to the next level. Okay guys, so I was out to the truck and I grabbed it's called a Kinetic Water Ram by General Tool, General Pipe Cleaners. Basically I've had it for a while. It's basically, this thing works on high pressure air. So we're going to give this a little shot of the air and see. It has slowly went down since I walked to the truck. So hopefully this will take care of it. We won't have to get the machine out and make a huge mess. This building is going to be demolished or sold or something like that at the end of the year. So just trying to get the owners by so that they don't have to spend a ton of money in here. So let's try this General Tool and we'll see what happens. There's the tool. It's like an air cannon. We'll stick it down inside there. Basically, I always start out with a lower pressure first. I got about 20 pounds. If you don't get this sucker in here tight, where you got issues, what will happen is it'll spray all over. So you can see we're getting a little bit of steam out of there and all the water has disappeared. So we'll pour some water down it and see if that took care of it. So guys, we got that drain open with the water ram. Everything seems to be good. I poured a couple of buckets of water down it. Everything is good. So hey, next time you get a plug drain in a floor drain or something like that, before you call a plumber or go to snake it, maybe you can see if you can suck out that trap with a shop vac. Suck that nasty out of there and then get some water and jam a hose down there or something like that. So hey, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget, that's free. So it's one of the few things we get free today in our life. So hit that subscribe button and give me a comment. Tell me how you guys would do it. This is the way I do it. There's a million ways to do different things. So let me know what you think. Thanks, Charlie the Plumber, and we'll talk to you soon.